Hi, so for today, gagawa tayo ng desktop wallpaper organizer na you can sell on Etsy as is or as a bundle. So, bago ang lahat, this is a sample ng desktop wallpaper organizer. As you can see, ang goal ng wallpaper na to is i-organize yung mga folders mo and files mo sa desktop mo. So, para hindi siya magulong tignan. Okay, next thing to do, check naman natin sa Etsy kung talagang pwede mo siyang ibenta. Oh my! Yan. Kinabahan ako ng slide. So, i-search natin siya. Desktop wallpaper organizer. Yan. Tingnan natin. So, nabibenta mo nga siya sa Etsy. As you can see, may mga nagbibenta as bundles, as is. Yung iba naman, hindi organizers, desktop wallpaper lang, pwede maibenta. Yan. So, pwede siya palang ibenta. So, let's go. First thing we're gonna do is go in Canva and then search for the desktop wallpaper canvas or template. And then we're gonna create from a blank canvas. So this time, gusto ko medyo artsy-artsy, mga parang sticker. And gusto ko pa rin background is blue. So start tayo sa background. One light blue background. Maybe. Ayan, okay na ako dito. But of course, pwede naman insert other background. You can search, kunyari, sa elements, other elements. You can search for other blue background or other background you like. And pwede mo siyang search. Yan, pwede ito, pwede mo gamitin yan. So, it depends on you. Pero kung gusto ko lang ng plain for July, gagawin ko kasi yung July. Yan. And then, actually, before I recorded this video, may mga search na akong mga elements dito. Mga gusto kong ilagay sa, sa wallpaper ko. Dahil medyo mahirap maghanap medyo maarte ako. Ayun. So, pre-save ko na siya dito. Under, kay-start ko na siya. Nilagay ko na siya dito. Wait, let me start. This one. Gusto ko ito ilagay here. Yan. Like it here. And pag gagawa pala kayo ng desktop background, you have to consider yung space ng taskbar. So, medyo inaangat ko siya. Hindi siya gitang-gitna. Ayan. As you can see, medyo angat siya. Yan. And then, I like everything with shadow. So, duplicate ko to. Gagawin ko tong shadow niya. This one. And then, yung position, dito sa layers, ibaba ko siya para ang lilitaw ito. Color white na page. Yeah. So, gusto ko din maglagay ng gusto ko ilagay this one. Gusto ko to. Gusto ko ilalagay yung calendar ko for July. Medyo ko lang. Yan. Okay na yan. And then, aside from that, lagay na lang ako ng shape dito sa baba. This one. Yan. Rounded corners na shape. Then, I want it to be shade of yellow. Yan. Para a boom of colors. Daming colors. Gusto ko rin may shadow to. So, duplicate ko to. And gagawin kong shadow yung dinuplicate ko. And ilalagay ko siya under. Yan. Yan. It's nice. This one also. Lagyan natin ng shadow. And let's put it at the back. Yan. Aside from that, iba mga stickers, mga search mong elements. Mga stickers to. Mga pinag-store ko na rin kasi ito yung mga specific na gusto kong ilagay. Like this one. Yan, ang cute. Siya dito. So cute. Looks cute. Yes. And then, this one. And then yung others, I think hindi ko na save, pero nandito siya sa recently used ko. Yes. Tama. Like this one. Lagyan natin ang konting words. Okay, it's part 10. Lagyan natin dito. Let's do that. Let's add flower. Here. This coffee. I like this coffee. Cute-cute na itong coffee na to. Gusto ko itong nilalagay. Here. Actually, na-record ko na to kanina, pero syunga-syunga. Naka-record ako, hindi ko siya na-record. And now, ayan tuloy, inulit ko siya. And then this one, money. Because we're inspired with money. Natin dito. Ipalit na lang sila ni Donut. And medyo laki natin yung money para buhay na buhay. We need to see this money every day. Yan. So, okay na yung mga stickers natin. Now, we're gonna put through mga text. So, text, dapat medyo bagay dun sa sticker thingy na team natin. Like this one, to. Kunin natin tong itong first one. Kunin natin. Things to do. Yan. Itan lang natin. 42. Yes, 42. Let's put it here. Yes, things to do. Dito natin ilagay things to do. And then, I'll duplicate this one para ilagay ko siya dito. And then, I'm gonna rename it as apps. So, dito ko na ilalagay yung apps. Then, ibahin natin yung color para medyo kita naman siya. So, that's it. Ngayon, ang kulang lang natin is yung calendar natin. So, calendar, usually, ang ginagawa ko, nag-upload ako. You can open another tab and then Canva pa rin and search for calendars. Yan. Calendar 2024. And then, yan. Minsan ginagawa ko yung calendar dito. Yan. Ng May and then I'll just customize it. So, ako kasi may ginawa na ako from previews, which is yung May, which is yung galing dito, here, yan, kukunin ko to, itong May na to. I'll just put it here, and then I'll just edit the numbers, calendar mismo. Kukunin ko siya dito sa aking projects. And then, yan o, diba, nirecord ko na yung dalawa kanina. Dalawa ulit ako. Super kabisado ko na tuloy gawin tong theme na to. Yan. So, folders, yan. This one. So, in-add ko siya as new page. And then, kinukuha ko yung calendar. This one. Now, I drag. No. Ito. Wait lang. Highlight natin siya ng buo. Drag natin siya sa taas. Yan. Let's drag it here. Palitan ko na agad yung font. So, more sugar pa din gamitin natin. Yeah. And then, let me just delete this one. Hindi natin kailangan yung baba. And resize natin to. Para medyo mag-fit siya. Mas maganda siyang tignan. Gusto mo na ito. Hindi siya gitna. Ayan. Yan. Oh! Lock lang natin tong element na to, picture, itong graphics na to, para hindi siya gumalaw. And yung shadow niya. Para hindi na magulo yung design natin, yung placements niya. And then, medyo itaas lang natin to. Usin natin this one. Medyo adjust natin. Yan. Medyo ilakahan ko pa siya, ha? Ibababa ko itong let's check. That's nice. Gawin natin itong medyo hindi kita yung numbers, so i-dark natin. Let's make it darker. And then this one, gawin ko na lang siyang maybe yan. Yan. So okay siya. And then let's edit the calendar. This is July. Then na lang din natin itong white. Let's make it a little bit bigger. Ay ba siya tingnan? Yes. Okay na siya for me. Okay na sa'yo. Yan. Now let's edit. And medyo, let's do this a little light. Lighter. Ito na lang. Since hindi naman siya part ng July. Yes, this one. Okay. I'll do the same for this one. And for these two. Also this. Maybe a lighter shade of green. Yes, again. Yeah. So that's it. So this is the final look, final product. Sige nga, check nga natin. Gawin natin siyang desktop ngayon. So, let's download it as PNG. Let's open this one. Set as background. Yeah, and nice. So, meron na tayong desktop background. Now, we can sell. Actually, you can re-edit designs in Canva. Here, kasi maraming templates. Pag sinerch mo dyan, you can edit that and then you can sell it as a bundle. If you want to know more about digital product selling, if you want to pursue that business, I have a complete online course that you can use. You will learn a lot from there, from zero knowledge up to selling. Ituturo sa'yo doon. So, by the way, if you want a copy of this desktop wallpaper organizer, I will give it for free. You just need to follow me on IG and TikTok. So, that's it. Bye!